Hi there, are you looking to get a better handle on your finances for the year ahead? Then you will want to check out this free annual budget Google spreadsheet template. This template is a great tool for tracking your income and expenses on the yearly basis. It has several key features that make it easy to use and customize to your specific needs. First, you add the starting balance in the setup sheet. Then you can add your income and expenses in the separate sheets with a column for each month. And the categories are already preset, but you can add your own if you want to. The template will automatically calculate your total income and expenses for the year, as well as the difference between the two. But that's not all. The template also includes a summary sheet that gives you a quick overview of your financial status. You can see your balance, total expenses, and the ending balance, and the amount that you spent on each category is all in one place. So let's try to add some data in this sheet for your better understanding. Let's say I have a starting balance of $2,000. Add some data in the expenses sheet. I spent $1,000 on activities and $200 on allowance and $200 on medical. Let's try to add data for other categories. $250 on gift in January, and try to add for some data for the other month. Let's add some data for the June. I spent $1,500, and on clothing I spent $700. So now add some data for the income. Let's say I received $2,000 through paycheck in January, and my bonus was $200. And here I added the data for June. So I let's say I received $1,500 in June. Now move toward the summary sheet, and you can see here that this gray line shows my total saving, and this green line shows the income, and red line tells me about my expenses. So in January I spent less than my income, but in June I spent more than my income. So let's move toward this summary chart, and here you can see in January my income was $2,200, but my expenses was $1,650. That means my net saving was $1,550. That's the difference between these two values. And my ending balance, that's my starting balance plus my net saving, is $2,550, as I didn't add some data for Feb, March, and April. So here you can see 000, but in June my income was $1,500 and my expenses was $2,200. That means I overspent $700. So my total balance decreases to $1,850 from $2,550. You can also see the average values, and you can see the income chart or table. In January my wages was $2,200, and in June it was $1,500. And same goes for the expenses that show that I spent on each category and their average value. And on this chart it shows you about how much you spent on each category. So in this year I spent more on children and then on the gift. So that's it. You can download this chart from the link given in the description. And if you are worried about keeping your data safe, don't be. This template is saved in the cloud and backup regularly, so you can access it from anywhere, and be sure that your data is secure. So take care. Bye bye.